Hi there! This is a tutorial on how to import the file of a website that is transferring. You are transferring for yourself out of our server or into your own hosting. So this would be the way to do it. This is an empty WordPress database, an empty WordPress site, and what we're going to do is we're going to install a plugin. Actually, you can delete any other plugin that is not necessary for the beginning. So we're gonna add a new plugin right here, and it's called All-in-One WP Migration. This is a free plugin that is the one that we use to migrate the websites. So we are going to click in Install Now, right? We're gonna activate it after, and we'll have that. Once we have the plugin active, we can come to the sidebar. Are going to hover over the all-in-one WP migration icon, and then we're going to click in import. We would have sent you a file. This file usually will be under 512 megabytes. If it's longer, well, if it's bigger, we will let you know, and probably you will need to buy the unlimited extension or to have us migrate your site if the file is longer. But I'm going to import this one that is not that is going to be allowed because of the size. So it's just a matter of waiting until this finishes. Right, I'm not even going to pause because it's going quite fast. Okay, it's going to pop an alert. We just going to click proceed. This is because the PHP doesn't match. It doesn't matter in this case. So we're going to click in proceed, and it's going to do its thing. And the site has been successfully imported. Now, if this is a breakdown site, which in this case it is, we're gonna have to log in back into the site with the credentials that we already had in the previous one. So I'm gonna do just that. Depending on your hosting, you might have to set up credentials again. So once this is done, a couple of things will pop. If the site is breakdance, which in this case it is, we're going to have to click here to create the missing directories in the new hosting. This sometimes pops up, sometimes it doesn't. And then once that is done, we just have to click here and regenerate CSS cache. And once this bar fulls the completes the trajectory, is going to be ready. So this is the way to migrate a site into your own hosting once you have already an active empty WordPress installation. So there you have it. Hope this tutorial was helpful.